Spring is here, which means it's time to get planting in your garden. I love gardening and I plant a ton of veggies every year. Today I'm using my WeCreat Vision to cut and engrave these adorable garden stakes to keep my garden looking nice and organized. Making these garden stakes with the WeCreat is so quick and easy. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so you can learn how to make some too. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Carrie. I share all kinds of DIY projects on my channel. I have a whole playlist full of WeCreat tutorials, plus Cricut crafts, sublimation projects, business tips, and so much more. If you want to see more laser engraving tutorials and project ideas like this, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. I post new content every week. I'd also appreciate it if you hit that like button because it really helps my small business grow here on YouTube. For materials, all you'll need is your WeCreat Vision laser engraver and some 3mm basswood. The basswood sheet I'm using is part of WeCreat's wood bundle that they sell on their website. It comes with all kinds of fun patterned wood and also a plain sheet. I used one of the patterned sheets of wood to make this cute dandelion project that I designed. It's perfect for Mother's Day or Teacher Appreciation Week, both which are right around the corner. Mother's Day is May 12th and Teacher Appreciation Week is May 6th through 10th. With this project, there's holes in the lion's mane where kids can go outside and pick dandelions to fill it in. It's an adorable gift for grandparents and teachers. I also left enough space on the lion's belly to write a name and dandelion. This is one that I made with plain basswood that says Mrs. Cushion's Dandelion, but you could also customize it to say Grandma's Dandelion or Mama's Dandelion. You can find a link to this design in my video description. Sorry if that's a little off topic. I love sharing all different types of fun project ideas that you can make with your WeCreat. Let's move over to the computer and I'll show you how to import this garden stake design into the WeCreat MakeIt software. I found this file on Creative Fabrica's website. It's called Vegetable Garden Stakes. I'll leave a link to it in my video description. There's many different styles within this bundle. You can see at the top, like this one has a wheelbarrow, this one has the picture of the vegetables, and different sayings on the boxes. In today's video, I'm only going to be making the stakes with the vegetable names on it. I don't really need the storage box and I don't want to waste my wood. I'm going to be putting the stakes directly into the garden. So to download this file, all you have to do is click the big green download button if you have their all access subscription. If you don't have their all access subscription, you can sign up for a free trial through the link down below in my video description. Their website is only $3.99 a month right now. This is a great deal and this gives you unlimited downloads of everything on their site. So just click download, open up the zip file, double click, and now you'll see there's various different types of files. I like to use the SVGs, and then you can open up the different ones to see what you like. This is the wheelbarrow file. This is the one with the vegetables. So go through and find the one that you like most. I'm going to be using Garden Stakes 2 SVG. So right click and save it to your computer. Then open up the WeCreat software, click New Project, then go to Upload, select your file, and click Open. When you import it, it looks really big, so I need to zoom out. I want to delete all of the box stuff because I'm not actually making the box. So I'm going to resize the design. I'm going to highlight the first row, and then I'm going to go up to here where it says height and change this to 6, and then I can drag this over. Then I'm going to do this one and change it to 6. Now I can zoom back in. Then I'm going to rotate these 90 degrees and drag them up. So when you look at the screen right now, you can see that the vegetables are in blue and then the outline is in red. Where it's red, we want the machine to cut out the wood, and where it's blue, we want it to engrave. If you come over here, this is the layer manager, so you have the blue and the red. So if you click on the blue layer, it selects everything in blue, and we're going to change the power to 100%. In the speed also to 100. Now we're going to click on the red layer and we're going to tell it to cut and leave the settings on default. So now we're going to tell the machine to autofocus by clicking autofocus. After it's done autofocusing, you're going to go up to start at the top. It estimates that it's going to take about 15 to 16 minutes. Double check your picture, make sure all your designs are placed on the wood. If everything looks good, you can click send. Then hit the button when you're ready to start. The machine just finished cutting. I am so impressed with how these garden stakes came out. The writing is nice and dark, making it easy to read. The wood is sturdy, so I think they should hold up nicely all season. Now I need to go plant my peas, lettuce, and potatoes so I can start sticking these stakes in the ground. If you guys enjoyed this video, I would love and appreciate it if you hit that like button and shared this video with your fellow WeCreat lovers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.